In this video, we'll show you two things about your Milwaukee Hardhat. First, we'll show you how to adjust the suspension so that it can ride high or low on your head to your preference. And second, we'll show you how to correctly connect the suspension to your helmet. Let's get to it. To adjust the helmet suspension height, we have two options. There's a low hole and a high hole. If the tab is in the bottom hole, it will maximize the gap between the head and the helmet, so the suspension rides low and the helmet rides high. The alternative is the tab in the top hole. It minimizes the gap between the head and the helmet, so the suspension rides high and the helmet rides low. The next step is to put the suspension into the helmet, and the trick here is to take the wide base part of each of these tabs and put it into the slot. And when you do that, you will hear a click, an audible click, and you'll also see a little tab from the helmet above the clip when it is inserted properly. As you can see here, the red little part of the helmet tab is above the clip. If you're having any trouble assembling the headlamp mount, watch this short video. Otherwise, thanks for watching and be safe out there.